Puja Puja Bhav.
Okay, very good morning to all of you. So in
Good
the
morning, ma'am.
previous class, what we have done, Abhishek?
Ma'am, in the previous class, we were doing the inverse Laplace transformation theorem.
Say loudly, please.
Ma'am, in the previous class, we were doing the inverse Laplace transformation theorem.
Anything else?
We were deducing the time.
If it is visible, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What I remember in the previous class, we have started from inverse of Laplace transform that Mukul had said. And after that, initial value theorem and final value theorem and problem on that. And we started transient analysis for RL series circuit. I have written the equation and I have told you you have to. No. I have already told you to change the time domain into frequency domain from RL circuit, right, Mukul? And after
Yes, ma'am.
changing the time domain function into frequency domain in linear form, I have told you to change the time frequency domain into time domain, that is inverse Laplace domain. Then you will be able to get the transient response of RL circuit. Have you done it? No.
পারিনি ম্যাম, চেষ্টা করেছিলাম।
রকম চেষ্টা করেছিলে? হোয়াট ইজ ইয়োর চেষ্টা? কিরকম চেষ্টা করেছিলে? অভিষেক?
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
Okay, before going to transient analysis, we have to know what is transient analysis, right? So in electrical engineering, a transient response or natural response is the electrical response of a system to a change from equilibrium. The condition prevailing in an electric circuit between two steady state conditions is known as the transient state. I think it is clear. So it remains for a very short time, because the literal meaning of transient means, what is the literal meaning of transient? Abhishek, what is the literal meaning of transient?
Ma'am, natural day-to-day
It will
response.
remain a very short time or it will remain a very long time?
Short-time response.
Very short time. So the currents and voltages during the transient state are called transients. This is the basic definition of transient. So in general, transient phenomena occurs whenever a circuit is suddenly connected or disconnected to form the to or from the supply. So when transient occurs, if a circuit is suddenly connected or disconnected from the supply, that is a switchover. This is a sudden change in the applied voltage from one finite value to another. A circuit is short circuited. All these conditions when happen, then the transient phenomenon occurs. A simple example would be the output of a 5-volt DC power supply. When it is turned on, the transient response is from the time the switch is turned on and the input is a steady 5-volt. So what it has told, that when this is a very simple example, that is when a 5-volt DC power supply is switched on, then transient response will occur in the time during the in the duration when the switch is turned on and the output is will be steady at to the 5 volt. Is it clear? তুমি অন করলে 5 volt স্টেডি হতে এই যে টাইম পিরিয়ড, এটা কি আমার ট্রানজিয়েন্ট পিরিয়ড বলে। দ্যাট ইজ ভেরি ভেরি শর্ট পিরিয়ড. At this point, the power supply reaches its steady state response of a constant 5 volt. I think it's clear. Now come to previous problem which we discussed in the previous class, the transient analysis for RL series circuit for step input. So this is the step input. This is the step input, VUT. So if the switch is closed at time t equal to 0, this is the position of the switch. The voltage across the RL combination would be VT, which is a step of magnitude V and not a constant, as is the supply voltage capital V. So VT is equal to 0 for t less than equal to 0. That is equal to V for t greater than equal to 0. Is it clear? Because this is the step response. Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Abhishek, Nandini, it is clear?
ম্যাম আরেকবার একটু
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the step input. I think you are acquainted with step input. Vt equal to 0 for t less than equal to 0, and Vt is equal to V, that is K. KUT. Do you remember? And in place of K, this is V.
ইয়েস ম্যাম
Yes,
ম্যাম
ma'am.
আমার একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল ম্যাম।
Yes.
ম্যাম আপনি যে লিখেছেন যে 0,40 লেস দেন ইকুয়াল টু 0 আর ভি ফর টি
T greater
গ্রেটার
than
দেন
equal to
ইকুয়াল
0. Then what is the difference? Less than 0, equal to 0, or greater? Both
ম্যাম
are,
এখানে তো ম্যাম অ্যাট
মানে
পয়েন্ট
তোমার
0 তাহলে
বক্তব্য
তো
এখানে ইকুয়াল টু, এখানেও 0 হচ্ছে, আবার এখানেও 0 হচ্ছে, এটা
হ্যাঁ,
বলছে
ma'am.
ভি হচ্ছে।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম
তাহলে when the function starts, do you remember? Just visualize the circuit. I mean the response, step response. Visible, Mukul, it is visible.
ইয়েস ম্যাম
So this is the step response, if you remember.
ইয়েস ম্যাম
Fine. So this is 0 point, and say this is V. This is V. Now I have written over there, if, say this is T. If T less than equal to 0, then what is the value of step response?
0
0. Again I have written over there, if T greater than equal to 0, then it is V. So I think Mukul's question is that equal to 0 তে একবার 0 হচ্ছে, equal to 0 তে একবার V হচ্ছে. Why? This is your question.
ইয়েস ম্যাম আই গট দ্য অ্যান্সার
Yes. You got the answer?
ইয়েস ম্যাম
Okay, fine. So can I continue?
ইয়েস ম্যাম
So does the differential equation governing the behavior of the circuit? I think in the previous class I have written the equation RIT plus DIDT, that is equal to VUT. Is there any confusion in this equation? Is there any confusion?
নো ম্যাম নো ম্যাম
Dhiman Ghosh. Dhiman, you have joined here? I think you have joined. I have seen. Dhiman, are you there? Orindam?
ইয়েস ম্যাম
Orindam is talking?
ইয়েস ম্যাম
Okay, Orindam, can you explain the equation, please? This equation, the KVL equation, how can you get the equation from this circuit? Very simple.
ইয়েস ম্যাম ভোল্টেজ সোর্স হচ্ছে ভি এন্ড
V.
অ্যাক্রস আর হচ্ছে অ্যাক্রস আর হচ্ছে
RIT.
ভোল্টেজ, হ্যাঁ আরআইটি, আর
Okay.
অ্যাক্রস এল এ হচ্ছে এলডিআইডিটি হচ্ছে ভোল্টেজ।
Okay,
সো
fine.
এইভাবে করলে হচ্ছে আসে।
No problem. This is very simple. And taking the Laplace transform. Okay, continue. How can you get it? Arindam, please explain.
Wait, ma'am. Yes. ম্যাম আইটিটা হচ্ছে ম্যাম ইউনিট স্টেপ ফাংশন, সো ওটা করলে
I,
হচ্ছে ইয়েস ম্যাম।
it is a variable here. Unit step function
yes,
ke
ma'am.
bollo.
Sorry, ma'am.
VUT. This is a step function having the magnitude V. Unit step function এর concept কোথায় আসছে? It is a variable. And basically Laplace transform of any variable from T domain to S domain, what we write?
IS.
That function into S.
Yes, ma'am.
I mean I of S.
Yes, ma'am.
Because আমরা কি লিখতাম? Fs. Do you remember? Fs. So function is here I, the I of S. Then Laplace of didt, what?
SIS minus I0 minus.
I0 minus, this is the equation. And what is VUT Laplace? Laplace of VUT, Laplace transform
V
of
by
VUT?
S.
V by S. Now question is that you can ask me, ma'am, here you have written the Laplace of ITIS. So here I have to write V of U of S.
UT তো ম্যাম UTটা ম্যাম হচ্ছে ইউনিট স্টেপ ফাংশন।
Because V is constant and
Yes,
here
ma'am.
it is not variable, hence I have written here V by S. The only variable item is here
I.
current. Okay, fine. Now arrange the equation RIS plus LSVS, that is equal to V by S. Take the common IS, R plus LS, that is equal to V by S. Now Abhishek is there. Abhishek.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you arrange the equation I is equal to V by S into R plus LS. So if you take the common L, S, that is SL, R by L plus S, have you arranged the equation like this? No. So V by
No,
L,
ma'am.
1 by S plus S into S plus R by L. So if this is like this, then what is the inverse of this? You have to use the fractional
Partial
method.
fraction.
You remember?
Yes, ma'am.
So A by S plus B by S plus R by L. Fs equal to that. So what is A? The method is that this total Fs, this is Fs into S, and S is equal to 0. This is the method. If you want to find out the value of A, method is that total Fs into this S, into S plus R by L and S equal to 0. So S plus R by L, S plus R by L will be cancelled out. And if you put S equal to 0, what will happen? L by R. Is it clear or I will repeat?
Can you please
Again, I am
repeat?
repeating.
Yes, ma'am.
Just remember this one. I am going to the PPT. Just tell me the equation, please. IS is equal to what?
V by S R plus LS.
V by S.
Yes, ma'am. V by S into R plus LS.
Where is it?
Ma'am, with S. S then bracket R plus LS.
This is the equation.
Yes, ma'am.
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I think some confusion is there.
ম্যাম
Yes.
IS এর তো ম্যাম ওই V by L by S into R S plus R by L হবে।
Basically, we have taken the equation and we have changed the T domain into frequency domain. Now we have to change the time frequency domain into time domain. So equation is V by L 1 by S into S plus R by L. then what is happening? That is equal to Fs. So you have to change it. That is equal to A by partial fraction A by S plus B by S plus R by L. Then you have to know what is the value of A and what is the value of B. This is our question. Okay.
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So do it fast. What will be A? A means if you want to determine the value of A, what you have to do? Everybody will do in your copy. Fs into S. Fs into S.
But taking
And
S is equal to 0.
So what is Fs? V by L is constant term.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose Fs is equal to S into S plus R by L into S. S is equal to 0. So S will be cancelled out. If you put S equal to 0, then what will be the value of A?
A is equal to L
S
by
by
R.
R. Similarly, B is equal to what? Mukul bolo, what is B? Fs into
Fs into
S plus R by L.
S plus R by L. Yes, ma'am.
And S is equal to minus R by L. Then
So,
what is
ma'am, a
happening?
negative sign is
S
coming.
plus R by L will be cancelled out. So
Yes,
S is
ma'am.
equal to
Minus L by R.
B is equal to minus L by R. Then you are getting the equation what? V by L into L by R 1 by S minus 1 by S plus R by L. I'm coming. So what is the inverse Laplace of 1 by S?
So 1
What is
by
the inverse Laplace of 1 by S?
T means IT.
No.
UT.
TL Laplace 1 by S square. So inverse of 1 by S square is T. If you go to the back. Yes, UT. So that is 1. Laplace of 1 is 1 by S. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
And similarly, 1 by S plus R by L. It is the Laplace of what function? Abhishek, what is the Laplace? This is the Laplace of what function? If you go to the back. What is the Laplace of e to the power minus at? 1 by S plus A. Do you remember?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
So it will be e to the power minus R by L into T. Any confusion?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now I am coming to the PowerPoint to explain it again. So come to the equation. Fs equal to what? Fs equal to basically it will be Is, right? It will be Is. So Is is equal to V by L into bolo tomra 1 by S into basically you are doing nothing. S plus R by L. Then what to do?
And then we will
So this is
take
the
S by
so this
A.
is the Fs because V by L is constant.
Yes, ma'am. So
Then
F is A by S plus B L
exactly
plus.
A by S এটাকে বাদ দিয়ে দাও
হ্যাঁ, ma'am.
plus V by S plus R by L. Fine. Is it fine?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
what is the value of A? How
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you determine value of A? The
Ma'am,
method
by
is that
taking S equals to 0.
Fs into S S is equal to 0. So what is Fs? So this is 1 by S into S plus R by L. So SS will be cancelled out. And if you put S equal to 0, then you will get what?
Ma'am, we will get
R by L?
yes, ma'am.
1 by R by L?
1 by R by L.
So A will be equal to what?
L by R.
L by R. Similarly, if you want to get B, so what to do? Fs into S plus R by L
efficiency is plus, yes ma'am.
Putting S equal to minus R by L.
Minus R by L, we will get B is equal to minus L by R.
So you are getting ultimately what? B is equal to what?
Minus L by R.
Minus L by R. Fine. Now put the value of A and B here, and you will be able to get the equation in the form like this: V by L into L by R 1 by S minus 1 by S plus R by L. Okay. L will be cancelled out. So if you take the inverse of this, then it will be what? 1 by S. Carl Laplace 1 by S. It will be 1
Yes ma'am. 1
minus
minus e to the power minus
e
st.
to the power minus RT by L. So this is the term.
Yes ma'am.
Up to this, it is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now come to a very important term. The what you have got, Nandini, ultimately what you have got, the transient value of current. Bolo? V by R
V by R.
B by R bracket 1
1
minus
minus,
e to the power minus RT by L.
fine, RT by L. Now if you draw the graph of this equation, what will be like this? I am drawing this. Anybody has any idea what will be the value of the, I mean, what graph will start from 0 or graph will start from infinite? So you have to put t equal to 0 in the equation.
Yes
Right
ma'am.
now, Abhishek,
Yes,
along
ma'am.
y axis ke ache? IT is along y axis. Very simple. So if you put the value t equal to 0, what will be the value of the IT?
0,
What will
0.
be the value of the IT?
0.
0.
0. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes
Mrityunjay Maji, are you there?
ma'am. He is also absent today.
He is also absent. Fine. Chayanika, can you explain what will be the value of the IT at the point equal to 0? Please.
ম্যাম কি বলে ইউ টু দি পাওয়ার টি হচ্ছে 0 হলে ই টু দি
E to the
পাওয়ার
power
হচ্ছে
0?
ইনফিনিটি
It will
হয়ে
be e to the
যাচ্ছে।
power 0?
হ্যাঁ, তো 1 মাইনাস 1 হয়ে যাবে, তাহলে 0
একদম
ইন্টু
fine. So
ভি
it
বাই
will be
আর হয়ে
0.
যাবে।
Fine. It will be 0. Very correct. Already somebody has told it will be 0. So at t equal to 0, the function is, I mean, time value of the current is 0. So how can you imagine the nature of the curve? Say put t equal to infinite. Abhishek, what will be the value of that if put t equal to infinite?
V by R.
Fine, v by r. So v by r means the maximum value, right? V
Yes,
by r
ma'am.
means maximum value.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
so the nature is exponential. So it will start from 0 and will be like this. Am I clear? And what will be the value of this one? This one,
V by R.
Abhishek? Maximum value?
V
V by R.
Fine, it is V by R. You can tell it capital I naught. That is V by R. Okay, fine. Now come to time constant. If you put t equal to L by R, what will happen? So what is time constant? I will tell the definition just later on. Initially, just tell me what will be the value of current at point t equal to L by R, because L by R is the time constant. Mathematical expression is that. So if you put L by R, what will be the nature of the, I mean, what will be the value of the current? Anybody else? যে কোনো একজন বলো। If put equal to L by R, what will happen? তাহলে what is the value of IT at the point T is equal to L by
V by R. V by R.
Okay, chalo V by R. After that, what? V by R. So definitely is there. After that, what?
1 minus e to the power minus 1.
Ekdom e to the power minus 1. So what is
E to
the
the
value of
minus
e to the
1 to
power
0.
minus 1? I'm sorry?
Ma'am, 0.
কোথা থেকে 0 আসছে? What is the
Equal
value of e to the
তাহলে
power minus 1?
Ma'am, e to the power minus 1 equals to 0.4.
0.4. Exactly বলো। V by R means I naught. Already I have told.
0.3678.
Yes, that is approx. It is 0.37. Exactly. What a ball. E to the power minus 1, somebody has told 0.4, but I have told say me the exact values. So somebody has told 0.36 like this. So if I consider up to 2 digits, what will be the value?
0.37.
Ekdom 0.37. Then Nandini, what will be the equation? Chayanika or Nandini, I don't know who is telling. What will be the value? I
Ma'am,
naught into
0.63 I naught.
0.63 I naught. This is a very important thing, that is the time constant. So at the point of time constant, the value of current is 0.63 I naught. That is 63% of the maximum value, that is V by R. Up to this, it is clear to all of you?
Yes,
At
ma'am.
the point of
Yes,
time
ma'am.
constant, what will be the value of current? Now come to the graph. 63% I naught. This is 100% I naught. Abhishek, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 100% I naught. This is 100% I naught. I naught.
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
V by R. So where is the position of 63% of I naught? This is 100% of I naught means 100. So if you divide these two parts, then it will be 50%. So like this, it will be 63%. Come here. So we can tell this is tau. And what is the coordinate of this point? This is tau, and this point is 63, 0.63 I naught. This point. ঠিক কি না? This point. What is the coordinate of this
Yes,
term?
ma'am.
This point?
0.63 I naught.
Sorry?
0,
0
0.63 I naught.
আসছে। This is tau. This is tau. This is not
Oh, ma'am,
starting
where
from
coordinate?
0.
Acha. Yes, ma'am.
তো বলো।
Ma'am, tau, 0.63 I
Tau
naught.
means what? L by R?
Yes, ma'am.
L by R comma what?
0.63 I0.
0.63 I naught. Up to this, it is clear to all of you. If you
Yes.
take the graph, if you draw the graph from this equation, you will be able to get the graph. And what is the basic concept of the time constant? The value of the time constant is L by R. And if you put the value of the time constant L by R, then what you will get? IT is equal to V by R, 1 minus e to the power minus R into L by R. So 1 minus e to the power minus 1, and e to the power minus 1 is 0.37. So if you subtract 0.37 from 1, you will get I naught into 0.63. So if you put the value tau equal to here, that is L by R. Abhishek has told the coordinate of this L by R 0.63 I naught. So what is the basic definition of the time constant? So time constant is the time at which the value of the current will reach to the 63% of the max value of the current? Mukul, can you repeat the definition of the time constant? The time constant is the time
Ma'am, at which the initial value of the current will reach to 63%.
the current will
Reach 63% of the initial value of the current.
maximum value of the current.
Yes, ma'am.
Initial value is 0,
Ma'am.
maximum value of the current. So it is very important time constant. Somnath Bhattacharya present. Somnath, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Somnath, can you explain again the definition of time constant?
Ma'am, the time at which the current value which will reach 63% of its maximum value.
Okay. What is the maximum value here?
One.
এতক্ষণ পরে 1 হলো। What is the maximum value here?
V by R.
Yes,
Mute, please mute. V by R.
Ma'am, V by R. Maximum value.
Yes, this is the point, V by R. And this is the tau. The value is here, L by R, that is tau, comma, 0.63 I naught. I naught means V by R. So this is 0.63 I naught. Fine. So anybody can tell me, tau is equal to L by R. What is the dimension of time? Tau? Tau is the time. What is the dimension of tau?
T, ma'am.
T. So how can you get the dimension T? Do first from L by R. Got my question?
Yes, ma'am.
Got my question? Abhishek, what I have asked you right now?
And the dimension of tau is T. So how can we get it from L by R?
Ekdam. So do it fast and tell me, how can you get it? So up to this it is clear. How can you get the it equal to B by R, 1 minus e to the power minus R by L into T? And my question is that if the time constant equal to L by R, but it will have the dimension capital T, how can you get capital T from L by R? This IS means steady state current. That I have told you, capital I naught. This is steady state current equivalent to I naught. You do it. Anybody has done it? How can you get capital T dimension from L by R?
Yes, ma'am. Expected.
Okay, Mukul, tell me.
Ma'am, we know that V is equal to L di by dt.
Okay, T equal to L d by dl by dt. I'm writing. T what?
V is equal to L
L
di
di
by
dt.
dt.
Okay, fine.
From there, I is equal to dimension of I is A by T. It's A is the charge and T is the time.
dt. So like I am just in the crude way, I'm writing d dt by L. After that,
After that, we know V is equal to Ri. So and there
Ri.
R is constant and A by T. So when the R comes below L, so rest of the A and T are cutting. So we are getting only T left in the equation.
It's not clear. Initially, you have told V equal to L di dt. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
After that,
I am taking V is equal to Ri
Ri.
and L di by dt. So the i's are getting cancelled and only t is getting left.
Okay, fine. Everybody has done in this way? Now come to I equal to 0.63 is, that is steady state current, 63% of steady state current at t, the tau, that is time constant. So when the switch
Ma'am,
is
is
closed,
it
ওটা হলো
correct?
কেমন করে বুঝলাম না
sorry, you
ম্যাম
didn't
ওই
get the,
আনসার ইয়েস ম্যাম আই
বুঝতে
ডিডন্ট
পারোনি?
গেট ইট নো ম্যাম
You didn't get it? Okay, chalo. What Mukula said, basically we have to determine the value of tau. I mean dimension of tau. You know dimension of tau is L by R. I mean the value. So how can you get the dimension capital T? Because it is a time, so it will be capital T. So how can you get L by R? That is equal to capital T. Now Mukul repeat. Mukul, can you repeat? I am audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mukul, repeat.
Ma'am, we know that V is equal to L di by dt.
Okay, wait. L di dt. After that,
And also V is equal to Ri.
V equal to Ri.
So, ma'am, we can write that Ri is equal to L di by dt. So, ma'am, we know that R and L are constants, and I is equal to A by T according to uh, dimensional formula.
L are constant. Okay.
I is equal to A by T.
No, I equal to L by R.
No, ma'am, I am taking the dimension of
Basically,
I.
you have told R is equal to V by R. I.
Yes, ma'am.
Right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Then after that, how can you get tau? V equal to Ri.
Ma'am, exchanging the ma'am,
You have
changing
told
this.
right now I will be cancel out. You have
Yes, ma'am.
told.
Yes, ma'am.
L by R. T ওপরে চলে গেল, তাহলে টাইম কনস্ট্যান্ট, তাহলে টি রইলো না?
Yeah, ma'am.
এটা ক্লিয়ার হলো অভিষেক? অভিষেক,
ইয়েস
নাও
ম্যাম
ক্লিয়ার?
ইয়েস ম্যাম
কি হলো? আরটা নিচে চলে এলো, আর কামস টু দ্য ডিনোমিনেটর পোর্শন. What he has told, what Mukul has told, V equal to Ri. So V equal to Ri. Then after that, what is happening? Ri, that is equal to L di dt. So if you cancel out this side, then what is happening here? L by R, that is equal to what? T. ঠিক কি না?
ইয়েস ম্যাম
L by R, that will be equal to dt, that is means T. Okay, fine. Now come to the conclusion, when the switch is first closed, the voltage across the inductor will immediately jump to battery voltage, acting as though it were an open circuit and decay from to zero over time, eventually acting as though it was a short circuit. Voltage across the inductor is determined by calculating how much voltage is being dropped across R. Okay, given the current through the inductor and subtracting that voltage value from the battery. Like basically, you have up to this, you have determined the value of the current. Now you have to determine the drop. This drop, that will be R into IT, and this drop L into DIDT, right now? Drop across L what? L DIDT.
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever the value we have got here, IT is equal to V by R 1 minus e to the power minus R by L into T. That will be multiplied by R directly. But from to get the drop across L, you have to differentiate L DIDT. You have to differentiate this equation and will multiply with L. That I have told here. Voltage across the inductor is determined by calculating how much voltage is being dropped across R, given the current through the inductor, and subtracting that voltage value from the battery. When the switch is first closed, the current is zero. When it increases over time until it is equal to battery voltage divided by the series resistance, that is V by R. Okay, this behavior is precisely opposite that of the series resistor capacitor circuit, that is RC circuit, where current started at a maximum and capacitor voltage at zero. The steady state part of the current response is V by R. Already you have seen V by R, right? That I have told I naught. The variation of the current is shown in the figure. Already you have seen in the figure. The quantity tau L by R is known as the time constant. I have told you of the circuit, and it is defined as follows. It is the time taken for the current to reach 63% of its final value. Thus, it is a measure of the rapidity with which the steady state is reached. Also at t, that is equal to 5 tau, R equal to 0.993 is. 5 tau. This is not tau, 5 tau, mind it. That is almost 99%. ठीक है ना, 99% means almost 100%. The transient is therefore said to be practically disappeared in 5 tau. Basically, this concept will be applicable in case of your practical class. Fine. So what I have told, the tangent to the equation I equal to V by R 1 minus e to the power minus R by L into T. You are acquainted with this equation in this class at equal to 0. Intersects the straight line I equal to V by R. Fine. At t equal to tau L by R. Already I have explained. Thus the time constant is the time in which the steady state would be reached if the current increases at the initial rate. Fine. Physically, time constant represents the speed of the response of the circuit. This is the practical aspect. A low value of time constant represents a first response, and a high value of time constant represents a sluggish response. Now, calculation of voltage. This is very important. Just a few minutes ago, I have told VR equal to RIT. So what is IT? 1 minus e to the power minus R by L into T into V by R. RR will be cancelled out. So it is V. Fine. Ekdom clearly lekha ache. Voltage across inductor, what will happen? VL equal to L DIDT. So you have to differentiate this one. L DIDT, L into the total part. So you are getting V into e to the power minus RT by L. So what is VL? V into e to the power minus RT by L. Another way you can do it, VL equal to what? The total voltage minus the drop across resistance, right now? So V minus VR. The VR equal to what? V into my e to the power minus RT by L. V minus V e to the power minus RT by L. So if we put the value, then you will be able to get. So this is the same. So in case of current response, it is like this. But in case of voltage response, when t equal to 0, what will be the value of voltage? Mukul, what will be the value of voltage at t equal to 0? It will be V. It will be V. That is maximum. So if in case of current response, it is increasing in order. In case of voltage response, it will be decrease in order, because at t equal to 0, it will start from max value. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So up to this, it is clear what we have discussed today. What we have discussed today. Anybody else? What we have discussed today?
Transient response of RL circuit.
Basically, we have discussed today transient response of RL series circuit. We have discussed what is the definition of transient, and after writing the equation in KVL form, we have determined, we have make it in the Laplace transform form. I mean, using the Laplace transform of the equation, and in taking the initial condition 0, we have solved the equation, and that is V by R 1 minus e to the power minus RT by L. After that, putting T equal to L by R, that is time constant, we have got the value. What is the value of the current at the time constant? That is 63% of the steady state current, right? After that, we have drawn the graph. What will be the nature of the curve? That is current response, IT is equal to V by R 1 minus e to the power minus RT by L. After that, we have derived the voltage drop across the resistance and voltage drop across the inductor. And the nature of the voltage response is thus opposite of the nature of the current response. In case of current response, the graph starts from 0, and in case of voltage response, that will start from the max value, that is decaying in nature, but in case of current response, it is rising in nature. I think it is clear to all of you up to this. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in the next class, we will start response across
RC circuit.
RL series circuit. Say it was step response. So what we will discuss in the next class? Sinusoidal response. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.